how to buy NEOTECH token. So this token came under the symbol of NEOT. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see, so before 30 hours, they announced this post that the future of NEOTECH is here. Join the MIXI listing, as you can see. Register with our referral code, as you can see here. Now trade on NEOTs on MIXI. So this token will be listed on MIXI. So in this video, I will show you how to buy it on your wallet and how to buy it on the MIXI if they list it. So let's go and buy this token. So as you can see, this token, it's available in the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token, the liquidity here has locked by 100%. That's good. That's made your investment in the safe place. Now this token, it came under the Ethereum network. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your wallet. For this I will use Bitget. Now after that, go to your wallet. Now select the Ethereum select the Ethereum network. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address for here. As you can see, so this is our token. So after that, click on this plus icon. So because it's not listed yet, they said here not listed. Now after that, go back and find your token here called the NEOTECH. As you can see, so this is it. Just click on it, and after that, click on swap. Now switch it from here, and from the top, just select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT, of course. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. After that, it's simple and easy. Just click on buy here, and you will buy this token. Now to be able to buy it on MIXI, for example, if you go to their X account and find this post, just click on this link. As you can see, so they announce it, trade here. Now after you click on it, as you can see, you will be able to access to MIXI websites, and make sure to log into your account. As you can see now here, to be sure that you select the right token, you see here that this token NEOTECH called, this is the right name. Now to be able to buy here on the MIXI, just click on buy, but before that, make sure to select one of these two options. For example, if you select the limit option, you will see the price of the token in the USDT. Now here, type how much you want to buy, and because I don't have funds on my account, I can't be able to enter how much, but for you, just type how much, like 100, 1000, or whatever you want to buy with that token. Or you have another option is by drag this and select the percentage of your USDT that you want to buy with that token. Now after that, you will see here the total that you should pay after you select the amount that you want to buy with NEOTECH. Now after that, click on buy and you will buy it. But in the market option, if you select it, you have two options, or one option, sorry. Just drag this to select the percentage of your USDT that you want to buy with, and here you see the total that you will pay. After that, click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy a NEOTECH token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.